All right. Can you look at me for just? You don't have to look at me. Can you answer a few questions for me real quick? All right. All right. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can and will be used to use in court of law. You have the right to talk to a lawyer and have him present with you while you're being questioned. If you cannot afford to hire a lawyer, one will be appointed to represent you before any questioning if you wish. You can decide at any time to exercise these rights and not answer any of my questions to make any statements. Do you understand these rights that I've spoken to you? You do? I need a yes or no, please.
No, man, because I don't know what the hell I'm going to. What you reading that for?
You don't understand these rights? I'm reading one more time to you.
What you read me, bro? What the fuck? Y'all gonna fuck up, bro. Y'all done fucked up. I'm gonna tell you that. You done messed up.
All right. Yet I'm reading one more
You
time.
done messed up, bro.
Do you understand these rights I have read to you?
Go ahead.
You have the right to remain silent. Anything you can and will say will be used in court of law. You have the right to talk to a lawyer and have him present with you while you're being questioned. If you cannot afford to hire a lawyer, one will be appointed to represent you before any questioning if you wish. You can decide at any time to exercise these rights and not answer any questions or make any statements that I ask, okay? Do you understand these rights that I've explained to you?
Yeah.
Okay. Mr. Quez, correct?
Yeah, man.
All right. There's marijuana smell in the house, all right?
Come on, man. Come on. What else you talking about? Come on.
All right.
Yeah.
All right. Who had the marijuana?
Marijuana? What the fuck marijuana at? You got marijuana on, bro? You see marijuana?
I could smell it. It didn't just grow
you
in there.
You smell it on me?
I ain't smelled you. I ain't into that, man.
Right then, bro. I don't know nothing about no fucking marijuana.
It's trash. It's a bunch of buds.
All right, Mr. Towns right here and Mr. Harrington. We're with you, correct?
Go on and take me in jail.
Right.
Take me in
Suit
jail.
yourself. All right, well. That went well.
What happened with him? What happened when he ran? He just stopped at the house.
He ran 2 houses down, stopped around, put his hands up in the air. So they both say that he had the weed.
I mean, I believe he did.
Oh, yeah.
I don't know if we had enough to charge him with delinquency of money.
Did we find any weed or anything like that?
Negative.
Like empty bags with no weed. They've been in there. That's sick butts and a lighter and all the other stuff, but no weed.
He denied. They both said that he had the weed.
Well, the mama said, that boy mama said that she saw all 3 of them come out. This one too.
Right.
Oh, yeah.
So,
without a doubt.
He's a done deal.
That's like 2 witnesses at least.
Yeah. Plus him, juvenile.
Yeah.
What you want to charge this one with?
Obstruction. I clearly said stop. Police. Freeze. What?
Found some weed. You charge him with contributing.
Yeah, that's the only issue.
We can't find any. Is he the one who they said they found in Brim's backyard?
Well, that's what Barr said. He was the one that was sneaking into Brim's backyard.
This one right here.
Dog, yeah.
Okay.
Really?
Yeah, 401. He lives right around the corner, and apparently he's got a pit bull, and apparently he was trying to steal it.
They only know him by Quez. They don't know his last name.
Grandma barely knows him, but apparently.
Well, he's going to have to get fingerprinted, so.
Yeah.
Right.
From Brunswick. And he's had run-ins with a lot there.
Now, you said this is who?
That is Mom.
That lady right
Complaint, our complainant, yes.
Okay.
And she's
so the mom called on her own kid.
She did.
Gotcha. All right. This is the boy that we cut loose.
Right.
He goes to Burke County High School. He's in the 10th grade. This is his daddy. The only address she said is the same as hers.
Okay.
So all this goes with him. This is the case number.
Right.
This one.
This is the little one.
Right. He's in the 9th grade. This is a grandma. This is the issue. The grandmama is in charge of him. Okay. So, when they got down with a parent and stuff like that, guardian, it's gonna be her.
Okay.
She said the mother is never in his life, and the father's locked up. So we're just gonna
leave her as the guardian.
Yes. This one here is the one that we're dealing with here.
Right.
That's fine. You can do them on obstruction. That's fine.
Alrighty.
I don't have a problem with that, but I want to make sure you okay.
Oh, fine.
You had to tackle this guy. You ain't
No,
injured or nothing.
no, just run. I did get my shirt caught up, but that's it.
You need a new one?
I've got 2 more now. But yeah, no, I walked up the stairs, heard them talking, went ahead and closed the net off, drew my weapon, smelled weed, stepped inside, saw a face, turned around, I said stop, boom, took off. I heard him shut.
Yeah, I didn't hear that. I heard the call go out, and then I believe I heard it say 10-3 to net, but I didn't hear anything else. So as you can tell, my radio or my damn phone don't pick up out here.
Well, I might not have gotten out either when I said they took off. Oh, okay. All
I
right.
didn't hear it. But tell you what, yeah, I'm good with that.
So 5 days on these 2.
Mm-hmm.
He's going in.
Mm-hmm. You could do them unruly and slash obstruction, but
I'm just gonna.
I just do them straight up obstruction. Be done with.
yeah, you can do it. That ain't no issue.
Whatever you want to charge him with.
Oh, he's
He's getting obstruction.
Which
He
would
took
find some weed or something that they had in
They
there.
got some bags in there, but this I haven't seen.
And the way all the
There's
stuff,
a roach in there.
the way all the stuff was pushed up against the hallway, I couldn't see anything but a head.
And
I
which
heard
way? They ran out the front door and ran that way.
they ran out the front door, took off on the road.
They got it all set up right there in the living room.
That's where they sit and do their little powwows.
Yeah, so I don't think they ever go through the back door because I couldn't.
I come down the street and there's just one with a black shirt, one with a no shirt. Now I was like, what's the chances? On Persimmon Drive. Yes. Out the middle of nowhere.
All right, guys.